Okay, it's looking like we live. What is going on, Shill Squad? Welcome back to the Shill stream. You already know what it is. This is where we talk about any cryptocurrency you want to talk about. Obviously, there's been a lot going on in the markets across the traditional markets and the crypto markets. It's been crazy this week. I hope a lot of you got a lot of bags. Unfortunately, I missed out on most of the bags that were occurring, but you know what? This is a long-term process that we're doing, and we catching little bags along the way. So if you are new to the channel, you're watching the replay, make sure you subscribe right here. Turn on your post notifications, because when we go live, that project that nobody else is talking about, that you want an opinion on, we're going to do it right here on the Shill stream. All you got to do is come through and show some love. That is it. We're going to look at it. Thumbs up, people. My man Cam said that. We already got a couple people in here, so make sure you guys are smashing that like button on the way in. And yo, my bad for missing out on a couple of vids throughout this week. Usually towards the end of the month, I'm working late hours, and then just by the time I would get the video out and have to wake back up in the morning time is just a little difficult. But I think we got like over 20 uploads this month, January. So gonna keep it pushing right back. Tomorrow, I'm definitely gonna do a video talking about how, oh my God, how insanely bullish what just happened in the markets with the whole GameStop and Wall Street Bets situation is for cryptocurrency. How it is going to be a huge awakening for people out there to make a choice between centralized and decentralized markets, and how early we really are. I know a lot of people constantly see the price of Bitcoin over 30,000. They say, dang man, I wish I got it when it was $1. Well, could you imagine? Or man, some people are even looking at it from back in 2017 saying, I wish I would have bought it when it was $15,000, $20,000. Let me tell you something. It's earlier than I even thought. Trust me, it is. Because the fact of the matter is that crypto is not ready for what it is attracting. It is not ready yet, but it's getting better and better. And here we are in the early stages, in the very early stages, getting ready for what is about to happen. So guys, you are early. Welcome to the Shill stream. This is where we have fun. We talk about anything you guys want to talk about. So let's not even waste any time. We're going to look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to look at the price of Ethereum, and we're going to look at CoinGecko to search for some gems that you guys would like to talk about. Somebody said crash question mark. That was Neglect X. Possibility for a crash. You know, a pullback maybe, but I do not think a crash is imminent. However, a black swan event in the stock market, which is something that what happened this week could have led to, if unfortunately, you know, what Robinhood did, what some of these other brokerage companies did was ridiculous. I can't even say how pissed off I was. I was just as pissed as you guys. But the reality is, the more of these hedge funds that get violated like this, there's a likelihood of a crash with that happening. Straight black swan event, because it's not just, you know, some group of people that are just making funds. It is people that handle retirement funds and all types of things. And man, it would cause a black swan event if this were to reoccur and reoccur. Shout out to Bob Olson, said good channel. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. However, looking at the technicals right now, we've been looking at this symmetrical triangle for a while. Well, this was going to the downside, really. We've been looking at this triangle formation for a while, and it went from a symmetrical triangle to this, and we broke out to the upside, man. We broke out to the upside, and it's looking pretty good right now. Yes, we did have a massive pump because Elon Musk went ahead and added the word or the hashtag Bitcoin with the Bitcoin logo because of how Twitter works to his bio. Matter of fact, let's see if we can go ahead and find that. Pardon me if my Twitter has crazy stuff on its feed. You know, Twitter allows you to, you know, kind of see whatever. And sometimes my friends be looking at some crazy stuff. So let's go ahead and see that. You can see Elon Musk added Bitcoin to his bio, and people are just excited. So yes, the markets did pump. Once he did that, it went up around 18% or so. And here we are, just right back to where we basically broke out at, back to normal levels. And the fact that we closed over this triangle is bullish. And right now we're still in another green candle starting the daily candle out. So things are actually looking pretty good. Things are looking pretty good right now. A crash, you know, you never really know. I mean, I can't say you never know, but you don't always know when to expect a crash. But right now, things are actually looking pretty good. But as we all know, Bitcoin dictates where the market goes. However, Ethereum is still, you know, just kind of just flowing within this wedge right here. And as I said before, I'm just kind of expecting, let's see, where we at? I'm expecting something like this. Break all-time highs, or at least break over, you know, the all-time high we were trying to break before, and then probably pull back down again. And then hopefully we start to see real gains, like some real gains. That's what well, obviously these have been real gains too. Ethereum's been looking bullish for a while now. And I can't even stress enough. Guys, you gotta make sure you turn on your post notifications, because tomorrow's video is gonna be, it's gonna be an eye opener. I don't know if you guys' eyes have been open to what just happened with Wall Street bets, with GameStop. But if you haven't been paying attention to what's going on and seeing how this relates to crypto, you really want to start paying attention right now. And it's pretty obvious. Look what happened with Dogecoin afterwards, because another account that, you know, basically used the Wall Street's bet, or whatever it's called, name, started talking about Dogecoin. Has Dogecoin ever been to $1? People were going crazy after that. And goodness gracious, this might not be the only one. The thing is though, Dogecoin, it's one of the few cryptocurrencies that people that like to stay in the stock market, that really like to play on Robinhood and Webull and all of that stuff, Dogecoin is one of those coins that they tend to believe in for some reason. And I think it might have to do with the very few listings that are on Robinhood, and the fact that Elon Musk is constantly, you know, it seems like playfully mentioning Dogecoin, but the fact that it's already a meme coin, you know, playing around with it is all people want. And it's just been pumping and pumping and pumping every single time. Obviously, there's been crazy pullbacks, but this thing went up over 100%, over 1,000%. It seemed like at one point, because if you look over here, we're at about 8/10 of a penny, and we went all the way up almost 1,000%. I'm pretty sure if I were to catch it like on the bottom of the wick or something like that, you would see that we went up over 1,000%. Man, imagine catching a long position on that one, putting small leverage or something, could make some serious gains. Now, I know a lot of people don't know where you can go long and short, so I'll tell you right now. And I don't have affiliate links or anything for you guys, but I just want to let you know to be ready. Be ready by preparing for when you want to take that risk. You know, this is something that I wouldn't, you know, try to go ahead and chase right now, because right now it's probably more really deep diving into fundamentals and technical analysis to be able to try to get gains off of something like Dogecoin. However, when these opportunities present itself, what are you gonna do? Now, this one did a 10x. Obviously, you could just buy the coin and you could have just made serious dough. You know, $1,000 to 10,000, 5 to 50. That's if you caught the bottom and sold at the top. But even if you would have caught a 4x or something like that, 5 to 20 or 1 to 4, 2,500 to 10,000, that would have been amazing. Now, if you wanted to take a small amount of funds and go ahead and take the risk of going long on it, maybe with the 5x leverage or something along those lines, then you want to go to, where is it, ftx.com. Now, here's why I say be prepared, all right? Look at this. Look at this. They got it right here. They got it right here. And they even created a Wall Street Bets market. Somebody said, ETH will soon moon as long as BTC doesn't dump. It is in an ascending triangle pattern. That is exactly what we were just showing a little moment ago. I don't know why I was drawing a blank with the word ascending. I was trying to figure out ascending and descending. It just was bothering me. So it was like this formation. But yes, it's in an ascending triangle right now. And goodness gracious, when it breaks out, it's whoop, should be hitting well over $1,500 into the 2000s. And I think I still have my, my different targets here for a fib retracement, which is somewhere along the lines of, not retracement, fib extension. These are the different targets that I'm looking at. So I know there's a lot of bullish calls for Ethereum, 10,000, 20,000, just based on low to high. Right now, I'm just looking at these numbers. So 2,200, which I personally think, as long as this is really a bull run, Bitcoin doesn't dump, then yes. And I don't think Bitcoin, even if it has more pullback, I don't think that it's really done. We just didn't spend this much time around all-time highs during the last cycle. When we hit 20,000, like, do you know how fast we came down? Like, we just didn't stay this close to all-time highs, working our way up. But there are some similarities though that do make me kind of a little alarmed. But we know that, with ETH futures opening up on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME, then in my opinion, that just means they're trying to expand the whole cryptocurrency adoption as an asset, as something that they could long, something they could short, something that people can buy. They even have some trading for like what we would call physical Ethereum. Obviously, it's not physical, but it's not just a representation of Ethereum, like a synthetic or something like that. Hey, Jason said eGold is looking good, like a great project. Any thoughts? Been kind of looking into Elron, but not very much, and we could probably look at it. Somebody asked hardware recommendations for wallets. Ledger. I know they said something about addresses or something being hacked for Ledger. I don't know. I don't let that type of FUD really bother me. Like my address, like I don't even have a name attached. I don't know. I don't really even know what happened. I wasn't really paying too much mind to it, but Ledger Nano right here. It works for me. Maybe you might want to get the bigger one, the newer one, the Ledger X. I use the Ledger Nano. I'm really just like Bitcoin and Ethereum in here. And when you have ETH, you could put all the ETH tokens on it as well. But well, I think you might want to pay attention also, because if you might not find it on your list there. I'm not sure. I don't really send like degen coins onto my ledger. But if you want to have multiple blockchains on here, you want to have like Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP. I'm just thinking of stuff off the top of the head. Eventually it will run out of memory, so you can't add like unlimited blockchains on here. Like it only supports a limited amount of storage for each blockchain for you to go ahead and save your assets. So that's why I say maybe you're better off getting the bigger one, the Ledger X. So that's my thought. Pretty simple and easy to use. Relax King says hi. What up, man? What up? How are you? So the couple things to prepare for, because if the market were to crash, right, which I'm not even suggesting is going to happen, what are you gonna do? Just sell and say, dang man, wait for the next one? I guess it's not that bad. You're gonna hold all the way down to the bottom. Oof, don't do that. I wouldn't suggest that. Maybe buy, maybe sell and then start buying on its way down. But I want to short the market. I want to make money when it's going down. So I like FTX, which is an exchange that you can go long and short with perpetual contracts. If you're in the US, you're going to need a VPN. I used to look at certain YouTubers and they would always talk about using a VPN to get on these exchanges. And then I would see other YouTubers saying like, oh, these guys are shilling these links. I don't even have a link for you. But you're going to miss out on money if you don't know. Raz said X100 or nothing. He said, imagine if Neglect said, imagine if Anonymous approved. Wow, that would be man. Guys, we're gonna see way more than we already saw just now. Like, we're gonna see much more. All this halting of trading that's going on, didn't that just happen with like Coinbase or something as well too? People weren't able to buy on Coinbase. These exchanges, these centralized exchanges, oh man. But basically what I'm going to touch on tomorrow's video, because it's not like that many people are here, but maybe some people will see before the video comes out, is just the fact that we're not ready to scale to the level of centralized exchanges like the NASDAQ, like, you know, the Dow. And we're not even ready to, you know, scale like Coinbase, to scale like FTX or Binance or these big crypto exchanges on the decentralized networks. We're not there yet. So what do you think is going to happen? We've gotten better already. What do you think is going to happen? We're only going to continue to get better, and then more and more people are going to be comfortable with entering the market. And in my opinion, that's a process. That's going to be a journey. I'm not going to lie. I think that's going to be multiple years it's going to take before we start to see like a significant portion of traders really just coming to the crypto markets to buy synthetic assets of what they could already trade on the stock market, or to buy cryptocurrencies, where it's really the wild west. Nobody can go ahead and press a stop button, and it's just, man, you win, or you lose, and that's it. And I think some people are going to be comfortable with that decision. Is Wall Street and hedge funds going to be comfortable with that? No, obviously not, because look, they're able to make a call and have Robinhood and these other companies, more particularly Robinhood, the big one, go ahead and just make them stop, even if it's for a day. I'm almost on the conspiracy side, where like Robinhood told him, look, we know we sell data to you. You're one of our customers. We can't let you get shut down, or we can't let you get that hurt, but we can't violate our customers to the extreme amount, day one. So what we can do is maybe 1 day, which is still extremely wrong, which is just as bad, really. But that's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling. Like, they probably said, we'll just do 1 day, so that the market could probably turn around and you could get out at a lower position. So I don't know, man. I'm just theorizing, if that's the word at this point. Anyway, so if you're in the US, you're gonna need a VPN. I use France as my location for a VPN. If you guys ever want to short the market, you know, if you want to go long when something like a Dogecoin situation happens and you want to go 5x, they have so many different markets on here. Let's see. Look at the different markets that they have on here. They have different like bull and bear tokens. Then you can just buy cryptocurrencies on here. So if you guys are in the UK, you could probably already use this. Well, it depends where you're at, actually. I think UK, like, they banned margin trading or something. If anybody is from the UK, let me know, but it is probably really late over there, so maybe not. X Fund is the next thing. Let's go ahead and check out X Fund. Let me stop ranting and talking on. I'll save that for a consolidated breakdown in my own standalone videos. But let's make sure y'all hitting the like button, man. See how y'all doing, man. Hey, smash the like button if you guys, you know what I mean, if y'all want to chop it up. Hey, and feel free to shill your altcoins. That's what we're here for. Shill your bags. We're gonna start looking at some stuff. I just want to start off with one project that I'll probably mention in tomorrow's video, possibly. I've been kind of playing with the exchange and everything, and that is Lena for linear finance. Um, this is still a fairly low market cap, 35 million, and they have synthetic assets, and it's their exchange is live. So, oh wow, they updated their site. I didn't even know that they updated their site today. Today, wow, that's cool because I was just on it yesterday and they didn't have it looking like this. Oh, I am. All right, look, I'm not trying to be excited like on stream to make anybody FOMO. Please don't. I just really want you to look into this. But man, I'm bullish. I'm more bullish than ever now. Just off of them constantly doing these updates, man. They've been delivering for real. So this is very much like a synthetics type platform. And Raz, don't worry, we'll look at X Fund. I'm not gonna neglect any requests as long as I have enough time and people don't put a million requests in the chat. But don't get shy in the chat neither, man. Say what's up or something, man. By the way, I'm fine. Relax, King. Thanks for asking. So this is the first, okay, but it's a cross-chain compatible Delta One asset protocol. Well, basically you can trade synthetic assets and it works between Ethereum and Binance chain. And at first it was a little difficult getting, through the bridge, but now like going from Ethereum to Binance chain with the Lena tokens, like it's working a lot easier. And guys, if you've been using Ethereum like on the network, because I understand that a lot of folks, you guys might not have actually used the Ethereum network. You just buy Ethereum and hold on to it, which is fine, completely fine. But if you are actually using the network, you know that the fees are astronomical right now. They're just way too high. And you're going to need two things. This is all stuff I'm going to cover in tomorrow's video. Layer 2, or just an all new chain, another chain that can bridge to it, something like a Polkadot paired chain or, Binance chain, which is what this one is using. So it's very much like synthetics. You can go ahead, stake your Lena tokens. It will allow you to go ahead, look at their price prediction, whatever, I guess. But it will allow you to create LUSD, which is the Lena USD. Basically, they have is Lena layer 2. Lena is on Binance chain. Now, here's the thing about Binance chain, guys. You can just use it in MetaMask. Binance chain works on MetaMask, which is, it makes it feel like it's layer 2, or it makes it feel kind of like using Ethereum. It's on MetaMask and it's so easy to use. In fact, I have the same addresses on Binance chain as I do on Ethereum. The same address, 0x this that, like it's the same address. So it just feels just like using some type of layer 2 or like Ethereum itself, but faster and cheaper. However, I don't know how broad their scaling capabilities are going to be. I don't know what problems Binance chain has, but I feel comfortable using it. So you can go ahead and basically stake Lena tokens and you'll get LUSD as debt, right? And you can go ahead and do whatever you want with that. You can trade with it. You can trade on an exchange that they have and buy LBTC, which are all synthetic assets. LBTC, LETH, Polkadot, LDOT, or whatever it would be. LADA, which is Cardano. Pardon me. And this is live right now. So you stake and you get your LUSD, and then you can go ahead and use that. And on top of that, you get staking rewards that are given to you weekly. Staking rewards weekly, which I believe are about to start distributing some of the exchange fees as well. So the staking rewards is the Lena token, right, which is needed to create synthetic assets, but they're also going to be distributing LUSD for the trading fees that take place on the exchange. Now, just going to the exchange real quick, and I'm really excited about this thing. It's been live for 2 days. I think it's been 2 days or so. So volume is low. However, on Ethereum, just the Ethereum trading pair for LUSD and Ethereum, there's already been $2 million in volume for the past 24 hours. I think that this thing can seriously pick up steam. And, I just been looking for a project that's just really trying to execute that I can really go ahead and stick to and talk about a lot, and maybe, you know, I don't know. I just make people aware of it. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing with this project. I have no contact with them at all. The most I've spoken to was to an admin to help me figure out how to cross from Ethereum to Binance chain right in the public. No contact with them, no affiliation or anything. I'm just really liking how things are going with this project. So I'm just gonna continue to stake, accumulate nice and slow because the price is very low right now. So I'm not dumping like all my bags in, but you know, accumulate. Man, I'm looking at the price of ETH is actually seems like it's, you know, it's trying to push right now. See it at 1390, 1391 right now. Let's go ETH. Let's go ETH. Go ahead, man. Let's go ETH. Let's go Bitcoin. Let's go Bitcoin. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go. Be ready, man. Let's go. This is all I want to see. This is all I want to see. It's going to be a little resistance at 35, right? Probably right over here. But if it breaks through that, we'll see what happens, man. 34, high 8s, like right under 34.9. So that's cool. That's cool. But yeah, go ahead and check out linear finance. Oh, they're going to do it for Polkadot? Oh my goodness, guys. I didn't even know that. I didn't even know that. Oh, that's a wrap. Oh, no, this is not a leverage exchange. This is just an exchange in general. But who knows, man? They'll probably add like, you know, some leverage tokens or something like that. If you're looking for a leverage exchange platform that works on layer 2 and is built on Ethereum from XDAI, which I should be holding right now, but I got out of this with some gains, is Perpetual Protocol. This is one where you can actually long and short the markets. Here goes this bogus nonsense. Yeah, all right. Well, I use a VPN, guys. If you guys don't use a VPN just to like get around this type of stuff, you know, I don't know what you're scared of. But I use a VPN, and I haven't used this. I haven't used it at all, so I'm not making it seem like, oh, use a VPN and use this platform. But I've checked it out a little bit. They've been getting crazy volume. So just looking over here, you can't really see it where the way I have the screen set up, but I'm seeing 17 million volume in USDC. So interesting, very interesting. But yeah, Perpetual Protocol would be one where you could do like 5x or something like that, 10x. Somebody said, I'm convinced, bro, buying Lena. Hey, man, you know, do research, though. Do research. Obviously, the thing is, like, I'm not a big channel, so, you know, it's not like I could go ahead and call out Bao Finance like Chico does. Bao Finance, they have no development yet. However, they're getting pumped so hard that they might eventually get some development going and really come through with synthetic assets on layer 2, which is DAI. But, you know, Chico's a big XDAI, layer 2, which is XDAI, I meant to say. Chico's a big fan of XDAI. So because they announced that they were going to use XDAI, this was like a super low market cap. You know, he talked about investing in this and it pumped. I can't do that with stuff like Lena. You know, I can't do that. I just truly tell you guys, like, the stuff I've done research on and that I'm rocking with. Like, this thing is an unaudited contract. Whatever. I'm not going to talk. You know, I rocks with his videos, so that ain't no shade. It just is what it is. But my man's been asked about X Fund, so let's go ahead and check that out before I end up forgetting, man. That's foul that I even made you wait that long. X Fund unification. I was looking at this yesterday, I believe, because I think I seen it in the Wall Street Bets Discord or something. I can't even remember. But yeah, let's see. Blockchain for businesses. There's something I seen all the way at the bottom that I was trying to remember. Okay, so unifications, ERC20 governance token. X fund supply starts at 0. That's what I remember. Right. Starts at 0. Its purpose is to enable off-chain governance for the entire unification ecosystem. Let me see. What's the supply? 2581, huh? Is the tops. X fund may be acquired on the open market or captured as emissions by staking mainnet fund. I'm just, I don't know. I don't know about these governance tokens, man. Like, I know Wi-Fi was like a big one, and I just want to know what else does it do? Is it just like basically staking and governance? I have to read more about this. Like, it said Oracle of Oracles. Neglect said you about to do some live trades. Nah. Hey, my man Juan Torres in the building with a thumbs up, man. Shout out to my man Juan in the chat. Shout out to Juan. That's the big homie right there. Oracle of Oracles, that's what this is. This is an Oracle. Let's see on the resources if they got anything. Rapidly deployable blockchain tools with built-in cost and speed predictability that brings security and efficiency to your business operations. Okay. All right, so I'll spend a little time. Perfect. They got some YouTube links. That's exactly what I needed. All right, so I'm gonna spend some time checking out some YouTube. So hold on. Somebody said, am I about to do live trades on what? You mean on linear finance? If y'all want, I'll probably just do that. I wonder if I have any unstaked tokens. I could probably just do all of that live. If you wanted to really see that, you could see how fast it works. It's not instant, but it's much faster and it's much cheaper. So let me know. I don't mind doing that. I could do that. But if you're talking about like trading, like leverage trading, like, oh, Bitcoin going up or whatever the case might be, or buying a bunch of coins, not gonna do that. Definitely not gonna do that. He said, yeah, it's the only one working already. Oracle with market cap of 2 million now. Everyone doesn't work and have minimum 15 mil. This is very true. Yeah, there's a lot of oracles out there, guys, that just don't really have much of a working product. And oh, this is down 23%. Maybe this is a good time to buy too, man. A lot of these oracles don't have working products and they still be pumping. Let's see if I can find this on the Dex tools, because I'm sure CoinGecko gets it late. Wait, what is this? Hold on. Let's go back. Oh man, they got the Wall Street bets. Oh man. This is insane. Let's see, they got a what? 35,000? Goodness gracious. Let's see what it's looking like, man. Oh, it's like an announcement channel kind of thing. It's like one of these announcement channel kind of things. It's not. Yeah, it's not people chatting. I was like, man, 35,000 people talking. That would be a lot going on. Oh, let's make sure I didn't close up. Okay, cool. Gotta make sure my stream stuff is set up. Pardon me, peoples. Yeah, so, and let me pop out this chat because it is killing me over here. Okay. Sorry, guys, just one quick second. Okay, we good. All right, now I got my chat over here. We goody. So yeah, I wanted to look at the X fund over here, but yesterday Dex Tools was bugging. Let's see if it's still glitchy. Every time I wanted to click like a trend line, look, you see that? It's like glitchy. Anybody notice that this been happening to anybody else? I haven't tried it on Chrome. I've been using Brave browser, but like soon as I click for a trend line, that happens. But let's look at X Fund. And it's gonna do like, it's gonna glitch right here. Watch. It's gonna like go large and then go back to small. What is going on? Sheesh. Goodness gracious. What's this L2 token? I like when I see little names like that. Holy cow. Is Trust Swap pumping? I gotta see because I see swap up there. Sorry, I just need to double check this real quick. Hold on. When did Trust Swap pump like this, dude? Holy cow, I might buy Trust Swap like right now because it's consolidating. Look at its bottom over here. It might break back out to the upside at 77 cents. It reached $1 and what? Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you couldn't see that, but look at Trust Swap. It had like a crazy pump today of it went to $1.72. What happened? Oh, goodness gracious. This is crazy. Just today it was 61 cents. It's now 71, but it went up over 100%, over 115%. Insane. Crazy stuff. And I wonder if it's like, how much volume? 16 million in volume. So I mean, if it breaks back up, it's probably gonna like pump or like dump. I don't think it's gonna slowly crawl down or slowly go back up. It's gonna like pump or it's gonna dump more than likely, like very soon. Like it's reaching the end of this little consolidation or whatever. So very interesting. Very interesting. We might keep an eye on that throughout some of the rest of the stream. INFI was a disappointment. Let's go ahead and check that out. INFI. We'll check out. Oh, is that that's not Axie Infinity, is that? What is INFI, bro? Let me know real quick. My man Lone Sig. X Fund is launched only 2 days ago, but the fund token can show you serious details. Oh, because one is X Fund and one is Fund. Fund is like the X Fund is the one that kind of gets farmed or mined or staking rewards, whatever, right? And Fund is like the actual joint. I don't know. Insured finance. Oh, here it goes. Why am I blind? I feel like this was one that was called out in my Telegram group, not by me, but by somebody I really be respecting his calls. I don't know. It's been out for like what, a week or two, and the whole market dumped the day after it, like 2 days after it came out. Oh my God, I hate doing these things. Yeah, so this is a Polkadot insurance platform. Your luck. Hey man, this game, you know how this game goes, man. It'd be some bad luck sometimes, man. But at the end of the day, man, we get wiser, man. We get wiser. I wouldn't even like dismiss this one entirely. Building the future of digital asset insurance, basically on Polkadot. Yeah, I wouldn't really dismiss this insurance thing, guys. Like, so think about it. Think about what just happened. Hey, shout out to Quarter Crawler. Think about what just happened with the whole Wall Street bet situation. and people moving to a decentralized network. A decentralized network like Ethereum, like Polkadot, whatever the case might be. As this ecosystem grows, guys, like as we become bigger, as we become faster, more operational, these different tools are going to be necessary in DeFi, hands down. And there's a lot of competitors because people are able to launch a token in an instant and list it on Uniswap, get some funding, and then really start to build out the project that they see a future for. But if you get into the right ones, these are going to be staples that are necessary on these DeFi platforms. What happens when we get a bunch of traders coming over and something happens? Something bad happens, a hack, a rug pull, or just something, like something goes wrong. Like insurance is gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge, man. But it's probably not like the most attractive thing to most investors, you know. Let's see. So I missed out on other project, but didn't want to dip into my holding bag. Yeah, I feel you, man. You was looking for a quick flip. Yeah, I feel you, bro. Me too. But you know what? Last time he told me about, last time Chim called out Parsec. I know you guys probably know about Parsec, and I looked at it, I'm like, oh, Parsec looks fire, and now it look cool, like, and here it is at $1.18. Let me go ahead and make sure you guys are able to see that. Here it is at $1.18. Oh, come on. And no funny whatsoever. Like, he told me about this at 18 cents and I bought a bag and it was moving slow. It went down and I was like, I don't really know. And I got out of it. But yeah, look, around 18 cents. And I was looking, I was like, dang, man, it was like, a penny not that long ago. It was 10 cents. I'm like, did I miss the pump? And then, I kind of got weak hands, man. And here it is at $1.18, so sometimes it's not about the quick flip, I guess. Let's see. Click was mentioned and I was going to go all in moment it was mentioned and missed out on good gains. Was Click mentioned in the Shill Squad Telegram group? By the way, guys, everybody that's here, shout out to the people that smashed that like button. Make sure y'all go ahead and smash the like button on your way in. Just show some love real quick on your phone, on your computer real quick. If you're watching on the Amazon Fire Stick on the TV, just go to them little three dots, man. Just hit that little like button, man. Show some love. Yeah, Lone Sigma said he seen that. Thank you. I already seen some people hitting the like button, so thank you very much. I appreciate that, man. Like, I don't ask for like tips and stuff like that. They're welcome. I don't ask for none of that. Just need that like button, man. Just need that like button. Click. Let's take a look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. So this is another project that seemed like it was pumping. And guys, in the Shill Squad Telegram group, this is what we do. We just talk about what everybody's researching, and it's lit. And there's some serious gains that are being had by the people that go ahead and research whatever other people are calling. Like, it's not telling us, like, it ain't no Wall Street bets where we could go pump something. It's just really real research that all of us are doing. Something I noticed that Chamath Palihapitiya said about the whole Wall Street bet situation was that in Reddit, there were people doing great fundamental analysis that was on par with the same investors that he deals with and doing some that were better than them. And that's what we do. I'm not saying that we're better than any hedge fund managers or anything like that, but we know crypto. We spend our time in it, and there's just members that just love crypto like you and I, and we just share these projects, and you go do some research, you might get you a bag. So DeFi Click. Oh, now it's pulled back, huh? But sheesh. Goodness gracious. Look at the gains, huh? Look at the gains. Good call, man. Good call, dude. For real, for real. I think I seen you call this too. I don't like, and my bad if I don't be in a chat very often, man. It's really nice to see people kind of just going and really just vibing out and showing love, helping each other. That's the best part. Just helping other people that can't figure things out. I love when I see that, man. I got to figure out how to get a tip bot in the Telegram so that I could tip people whenever I see like people helping each other out, and make the admins, allow them to tip people just for helping each other out, because that's wonderful. The Telegram link, I thought it was in the description. Let me go ahead and check if it's not. Yeah, it's in the description. You go ahead and just click the link in the description and you'll find it there. But I'll put it in the chat just in case. But it's in the description for those of you that don't know as well. Oh, scene, thanks. All right, cool. So I don't even have to put it there. Unifying all DeFi features, under collateral, staking, interoperability, off-chain DAO, yield, burn on Polkadot. This is the thing, yo. This is the thing. Some of these projects trying to do too much, man. I mean, maybe they could do it all, man. Maybe they could do it. There's a race right now, man. There's a race. This is what I want to be able to formulate it a little bit more than I've already been thinking, but there's a race to be really the leaders in DeFi, man. And there's going to be a few, man. There's going to be a few of them. The same way there's a few centralized exchanges that give you a lot of these different options, like KuCoin, like Binance, like Coinbase, like FTX, like all those centralized exchanges, and they're doing volume. They're going crazy. There's going to be options for DeFi as well. There's going to be a few different protocols and platforms, DApps that people go to, and right now everybody's in a race to just like be one of those big players. Like, even if they're not the Binance, maybe even if they're not the Coinbase, maybe they're the KuCoin. You know what I mean? Like, there's a race right now, so people are building them not only on Ethereum but going to other blockchains like or whatever it is, like Polkadot, so I lucked out with Parsec. Ooh, yes, this is what I love to hear, bro. This is what I love to hear. Jack Bruni said, I lucked out with Parsec at 6 cents from 4chan post when it first came out, before it was on CoinGecko. Shout outs to you, man. That is a good gain right there. 6 cents? Sheesh. Quick little 20x, little some light, little 20x. That's awesome, man. That's fire, bro. Happy for you. That is awesome. So yeah, man, this now, so you're seeing a lot of projects just trying to do a lot at the same time. They might be able to do it. Let's check out their roadmap real quick. Or I guess it's at the, oh, I seen Charlie Shrem real quick. I recognize that picture all the time. Hold on. So interoperability, all of this stuff. Less than 1 billion total supply. Shoot, I might still get into this. Whoo, they got the, looks like a lot of Indian people on their team. I wonder, I hope I'm not wrong for saying that that's what they look like, but I'm just wondering if like that's where this is taking place, just because the whole team. Advisors. By the way, shout outs to India, man. India, it was 2 folks from over there that came through and tipped me live on the stream. Tipped me some rupees. That is so fire, bro. I got tipped rupees twice. So shout outs to India, man. That is fire, bro. I wish I could just like put it in some side account for when I one day make it out there and go see the Taj Mahal. Am I bugging? Hope I'm thinking the right thing. I want to pay my respects to everybody's locations. Yeah, I'm gonna look at this some more. This is one that looks really interesting to me. Might not have been a full miss. Let's see. What's up with Nawa? What's up, Carlos? Let's go ahead and check out Nawa. By the way, I should just keep my little window like this, right? Because you can see much better. Is that only on like a Dex Tools kind of thing? Hold on. Narwhal. What is this? Bro, they got total liquidity of $35,000. Like, this is scary. This is what somebody listed it at, like, got to sell at. Was lucky about that, and then it just came to its right price. And then this is nothing here, bro. Narwhal, is this the right one? I mean, I could probably look it up. Like, is there anything I could look up for Narwhal, like website or something? Narwhal.io. Not secure. I'm good. I ain't typing in my name. What is this? What is this, bro? This looks crazy as hell, man. I might have to check it out. All right. Well, so yeah, there's other DeFi platforms that I want to keep that open because I don't want to forget. There's other DeFi platforms that seem like, you know, they're advancing and actually they're creating their projects. This is why I really like Lena. Like, I'm sorry, Lena is already functional. So is Perp, which is Perpetual Protocol. Injective is another one. There's a couple of them that are already they're already working, and I think that, like, man, and they're all moving to like bridge chain, you know, bridging to other chains or going on to layer 2. So I'm bullish on DeFi. I've been for a minute, man, for a long time, man. Before most of your YouTube friends was looking at DeFi, man. Let's see. Yeah, this is pretty cool. You know, this is another one. Got a couple stocks. They added GameStop. What a surprise. They added GameStop, Amazon. See, what I'm wondering though is like how it works. Well, you know what? Let me not even say that. Like, when it's just such low liquidity on these types of markets, but I guess, you know, you place your limit orders, and maybe you get it for the low, or maybe you sell it for the high. Oh, snap. Pardon me, man. Pardon me. Long day. Last business day of the month at work, so pardon me on that. Let's see. Did anyone actually see Doge pump hard? Yes. I just kept checking on it because I was at work. Yeah, let's check out Ramp. I just kept checking on it, and then when I came home after it already pumped, I didn't know it was gonna go from around here. I thought it was done. And it's like the UK or China just like woke up and just blasted it up to 8 cents, like, or 9 cents or something like that. And that was just outrageous. Let's go to Ramp. Donut? I gotta just see that real quick. What? Where is this coming from? Goodness gracious, man. What? Oh, this is the Reddit token? This is the Reddit token. I wonder if you could trade it on like Uniswap. Wait, let's go back. Let's just... I was gonna check Dex tools, but yes, you can. Wow, 11 million in volume. Wow. Wow. And this thing has been around. We just absolutely, whoever missed this, we just absolutely missed something magnificent. Like, what the hell? Okay. All right. Well, at its high point, it was what? 6.5 cents. Man, guys, there might be some more opportunities coming around. He said, I wish I just had $1, or you mean like 1K? Sheesh, man. Let's go ahead and look at Ramp. This is crazy stuff going on, man. Ramp has some good fundamentals that's gonna really like. I think it might be a player out here, because basically what Ramp lets you do is still, like farm and stake and still be able to use your capital for like other things, right? Like it's hard to explain, but yeah, they got they got a lot going on this diagram, but I think this is one that I'll probably end up like, I don't know if I'll do a video for this, but I'll probably do like a multi-coin video and include Ramp. This is one that I want to add to my bags, but conservatively, you know, respectively conservatively. Weren't there people that already made good money from donuts just on Reddit alone? Man, that's possible too. I don't even know. Isn't that crazy? Goodness gracious, man. You know what, man? There's so much money to be had in this market, man. We're not gonna catch everything, but this is why everybody here needs to be in the Shill Squad Telegram group, because the more people that we get in there, right? The more people we get in there, the faster we'll find out about situations that are coming about. The faster we find out about, you know, Ethereum partnership with Reddit to help scale and the scaling competition and everything. The faster we share this information with each other in the chat, you know, because in a chat is different from like a YouTube video where we come together. Like it's instant, you know, you pull out your phone, you look, oh, okay, this is what's going on. Oh, I send out a pinned message maybe when, hey guys, some interesting stuff going on in the chat, you know, without, or whatever the case might be. And we could really take advantage, man. So we got to get as many people in there as possible so that we can know what's hot out there. You know what I mean? So we got to make sure we do that. I just looked right now and found an extra $700 from Gala Games that I wrote off as a loss. Look at that. That's wonderful, dude. Oh my goodness. Is that like a, can I look at that? Oh, beautiful. Isn't that great, bro? Isn't that great? That is just wonderful, man. Hey, Linus, what's up, bro? Or Linus, I always not sure, so I'm gonna always not be sure either, even if I really know what it is. Shout outs to you. Kind of getting ready to wrap it up, to be completely honest. Vid's back on though, guys. Vid's back on. It's just a couple days for the end of the month. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I think I got like it's Linus, right? I know it's Linus. I know it is, but next time you come in, I'm gonna say the same thing. I'm gonna say the same thing. Yeah, I think we got over 20 uploads, you know, if you include the streams this month. So definitely gonna keep it pushing. Well, even if I think I do, and still gonna close the month off strong, and we're gonna try to do it that way. Just keep a bunch of uploads coming. So let me go ahead and just pull up the channel for anybody that's just not subscribed already, and get this thing popping, man. So guys, if you aren't subscribed, plenty of videos coming out on a regular basis. Most days I'm coming out with videos. A lot of stuff that's been helping people out. Let's go ahead and see this. Some of them getting some good views, 5K views, 1,000. So it's growing, averaging a few hundred, but 1,000 here, 1,000 here, 3,000, 1,005. Like, it's definitely growing, man. We got some good momentum. I think that we're gonna really take this thing somewhere. And being here early, I really want to find a way to make everybody benefit off of that. So that's it though. That's all I got for you guys, man. I appreciate you coming through and showing some love to the Shill stream. And Sunday I'm on with Kenzie. Thanks for asking, Carlos. Thank you very much. Sunday I'm on with Kenzie. I gotta call him, make sure he remembers or he doesn't just get lazy on me. And then me and him gonna do the live stream collaboration on Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you do not forget that. Don't miss out. It's a lot of fun, a lot of information going on over there. So that is it, man. Dutch, I didn't see you in here earlier. I just didn't want to not acknowledge you. I'll catch you on the next vid. I am out of here. Peace.